Hey guys, welcome back. It is a cloudy, rainy day out here today, so it's the perfect day to get some Wristwatch Wednesday done. Today we are going to work on our Timex Easy Reader and our vintage 1990 Timex Weekender. The Easy Reader's from about 2002. The Weekender is, like I said, 1990, which is a pretty amazing year. The year I graduated high school. Well, that was a long time ago. So we're gonna get to work. We're gonna go through the normal cleaning that we always do. We're just gonna get these things spit shined up, change the batteries. The Weekender did cause me some issues on keeping time, I will say. Jury's still out whether this is gonna work long term or not. I'll do an update video on it later on because I'm gonna do my best to get this thing working perfect because I really like this little watch. It's a good year too. Now I'm going to start off here and we're going to mix basically just some dish soap and some water. And I have a toothbrush that I specifically use to get all the grime out of these watches. Okay guys, I'm kicking myself. I had already done all that restore work. I'll call it restore work. I already done all that cleaning and everything I did to this one, battery changing everything to this one, but I'm kicking myself for not filming it. I got so excited that I found this one in this watch lot I bought. I put in the day code. It's a 1990. It's kind of a big year for me, so I was so excited. This watch was worn by somebody who had obviously worked with their hands. It was so dirty, amazingly dirty. I want everybody, take off your watch, Here, I'll do it with you. Look at the back and see how grimy it is. I don't know what you do for a living, but this person, there was so much grime, and it had one of those elastic type silver stainless bands on it. There was so much dirt and debris all over in that. Anyway, I spent a long time cleaning this up, just wiping it down. I had also a problem with it keeping time correctly. All of a sudden it would stop or maybe tick back and forth a couple times a second hand up around this area, and I thought, oh great, you know, a battery change. I thought I was in the go here with finally the second hand moving, but then I saw that and it would skip. So what I ended up doing was taking the back off and just blowing dirt out. I mean, there was even dirt in the back inside the watch. So you know, it's a 1990. What do you expect? I mean, the thing's old. But yeah, this is really cool, and I have a special band for this one. Now, the only thing about it being this old, it doesn't have the Indiglow, where this one does, and I'll have to do that again at night just so you can see it. So, you know, it's not going to be as useful, honestly, without the Indiglow. But you know, it's still going to be awesome to have. It's going to be a nice weekend casual watch. Sorry, I got noise of the plastic with the opening the band. And here's the band that I'm going to use with it. So, but I have since I've blown the dirt out. It's been a little while now. I set the time and it's still keeping up. So I think I got that taken care of. I will do another update on this one eventually because I like this one. Now let's get down to the details of these watches. Let's see, this one here. Case size, face. That's about 36. Yeah, I'd say it's about a 36. Let's go lug to lug. That's about 41 millimeters. Now let's go this one. This one's smaller. That one, that's about a 33, I would say. 32, 33 millimeter. And then let's go lug to lug here. Yeah, lug to lug's about 36, 37 millimeters. So that's the details on these. Any other questions you have about it, let me know. I just plugged in the date code that's on the back of the case, the 2-digit code. That's how I came up with the year that this one was made. This one, I believe, is a 2002. I plugged in the date code on that one too. So, you know, one of my goals is to, as I buy these watch lots and recondition them, I'll call it, is to find one that was made in the year of when my kids were born and give them one, you know, the same as their birth year. A nice little restored quartz watch for them. So